Defining units in AutoCAD. You can define unit of drawing in AutoCAD in two ways. It's either you can enter in this command line interface. You can press UN and it will activate the UN command, or anywhere in the workspace and you can press UN and it will give you a hint of the alias of the command, which is units, and you can either press enter or spacebar. Let's say I'm going to press enter and it will activate that command and it will show up this drawing units. The other way is, let's say I'm going to close this. The other way of activating your units or defining your units is to go this icon of AutoCAD, click on this and go to the drawing utilities, click on that and select the units. Under this drawing units panel, you can adjust the length, angle, and the precision of each insertion scale, and the lighting, which is have two options. It's either international and American. Usually I use the international. In the length type, you can define your measurement, architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific. Based on your defining here, let's say I'm going to define the decimal. If I select the decimal, you can adjust the precision of the decimal. It's either if you want to give a whole number or a single decimal value, two decimal value, and until this option. So I'm going to activate the two decimal value. And under angle type, you can define it's either by decimal degrees, degree minute second, grads, radian, and surveyor units. By defining this, the precision also adjusts, which is relevant to the type. Let's say I'm going to select the degree minute seconds and it will give you a time precision here and you can choose from here. But for this, I will choose the decimal degree, and in the unit to scale inserted content, I'm going to select the millimeter. You can choose other option here also based on your requirements. So I'm going to select millimeters, select on this, and lighting international. Here you can press OK, cancel direction or help. Say for help, it will give you a hint of the drawing units or the explanation of the drawing units. Like for this, the clockwise, if you select the clockwise, it has an explanation here. Clockwise control whether positive angle are measured in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Let's say if I choose the clockwise, the angle moves here, and if I didn't check that, it will have this counterclockwise option. You can also find some insertion scale here and an explanation, sample output, units. So it's somehow helpful guide for us in setting units. So I'm going to close this. So since I defined this drawing units, let's say if I click the clockwise, it will adjust this angle in a different or opposite direction. So I'm going to uncheck this. Now I'm going to click OK. So my units is defined now. If let's say I'm going to create a line, let's say there's a value displayed there that's in millimeter, and there's an angle. See, I start from 0 to a positive value of 27. You can, by the way, you can create line by pressing L and enter and click first point and second point. We will explore line command in a different video. But for this, we define the units in our drawing. So I hope this video tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.